Hello students, welcome to this ICT Grade 8 learning session on computer operations and fundamentals. Today we are going to learn about features of input devices. This video lesson will cover what an input device is, examples of input devices, features of input devices, then we will have a quick test followed by a recap of the lesson. To start with, what is an input device? An input device is any hardware that is used to enter data and instructions into a computer system. Some examples of input devices are the keyboard, the mouse, the touchpad, the joystick, the scanner, the barcode reader, the touch screen, the microphone, the digital camera, the web camera, and sensors. As you have noticed, there are many input devices. Each one has its own characteristics and sends data to the computer or communicates with the computer system in a different manner. Therefore, the selection of an input device depends on the work that will be carried out. Now let us examine the features of some input devices. The keyboard is a very common input device. One presses the keys found on the keyboard to enter text, numbers, and other symbols into the computer system. Another common input device is the mouse. It is used to control the cursor on the computer screen. The mouse buttons can be clicked to select text, files or folders, as well as to launch application programs. The touchpad is found on laptop computers. It can be used instead of a mouse. It censors the user's finger movement and downward pressure. The joystick may be used as an alternative to a mouse to control the cursor on a screen. It is mostly used for playing games. A joystick may also be used to control machinery such as cranes and medical equipment. The scanner is an input device that creates a digital image of a hard copy and stores it as a file on the computer. The barcode reader captures and reads information contained in printed barcodes. It is used mostly in libraries, shops, and supermarkets. A touch screen is a display screen that is sensitive to touch. One can interact with a computer by touching the icons and text with a finger. The microphone is used to input sound into a computer. It is mostly used for online chatting and voice or music recording. The digital camera records and stores photographs as well as videos in a digital format. The photographs and videos can be viewed immediately as well as transferred electronically. A webcam is a small camera that either attaches to a user's monitor or sits on a desk. Most webcams connect to the computer by a USB cable or are built into computer hardware such as laptops. Webcams are used mainly for online video chatting. Sensors are input devices which detect events or changes in the environment and send the information to a computer processor for action. They are used in many places, for example in security alarm systems, automatic doors, cars, electronic gadgets, and many more. Now let us do a quick test to evaluate what you have learned today. Read the following statements carefully and say whether they are true or false. You will have a few seconds to give your answer. Number 1. A touchpad can be used instead of a mouse. True or false? The answer is true, as a touchpad is an alternative to the mouse. Number 2. A digital camera can only take still photographs. True or false? The answer is false, as a digital camera can also record videos. Number 3. A barcode reader is the most suitable input device to type a piece of text. True or false? The answer is false, as the keyboard is the most suitable input device to type text. Number 4. Joysticks are used to play computer games. True or false? The answer is true. Joysticks are mainly used to play computer games. Dear students, this is the end of our quick test. I hope that you were able to get all the correct answers. Now it is time for a recap of today's lesson. An input device is a piece of hardware used to enter data and instructions into a computer system. There are many input devices and each one captures data in a different way. Examples of input devices include the keyboard, the mouse, the barcode reader, and the scanner, amongst others. The selection of a suitable input device depends on the type of data that need to be fed into the computer. Dear students, thank you for your attention. I hope that you have enjoyed today's lesson. Goodbye and see you soon.